73 acres, 11 unit senior housing, potential 1,000 unit development site. Hello everyone, welcome to Coffee Time with Christina, Melody Group of Market Deardrop for today. A once-in-a-generation opportunity to protect 73 acres of natural land and continue a decades-long senior care community mission under one unified legacy. Currently, we hold the agreement with the seller, and I'm seeking a mission-aligned donor partner who understands environmental protection, senior housing, and long-term legacy. Donation is $6 million, fully 100% tax deductible, and goes direct to the National Reserve non-profit organization. Impact is real: environmental protection, climate resilience, plus the continuation of community-based senior housing that already exists and already serve this community. We are looking for a donor who values the conservation, support seniors, and want to make a legacy grand impact contribution that will stand for generations. If this aligns with your foundation's priorities, I'm ready to share the full project summary and coordinate the transaction. Thank you and welcome.